Patingin, patingin.
It's a girl.
Wow.
It's a girl.
Girl, yeah, it's a girl.
How did you know? Patingin, patingin. May tsura. Sige nga, pagapangin mo muna.
Flip it upside down.
Uy, 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 uy.
Flip it upside down. Because I want to see if it's a...
May ulam na si Alex.
Flip it upside down. It
Put down.
is!
May ulam
Wow!
na si Alex.
First,
Paano mo siya nakita, Sawa?
our first cat.
Oh, first.
Ano yun? Paano mo siya, ano pala tandaan dyan?
It lost a limb. Daddy!
What? Why are you calling Dad?
It lost a leg. One leg. Look at this.
Open. Ang bango mo ah.
See, there's a crab.
Yeah. Smile. Happy?
Yeah.
Macy?
That's a hermit crab.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Ah, it's okay.
Let's leave it alone.
Kala ko.
Oh.
You.
Dali.
So many crabs here. Wake up.
Pagkabar na.
Bye. Oh, ipis.
Ato na sa kanila.
Nakadar ka na dito?
Then, dito na kanya mo. Hiwalay tayo. Hiwalay tayo. Hindi nag-aaral ko mga ano dahil maliwanag din.
Mommy, it only has 5 legs. How did it get here?